Sailing Leisure, founded in 2013 in Wuyi, China. Who is focusing on the design, manufacture and sales of outdoor furniture, mainly rattan garden furniture, textile-linked outdoor furniture, rope garden furniture, beach chairs, fire pit, outdoor dining tables and chairs, loungers, parasols and bases, hanging chair, patio swing, gazebo, etc. Sailing Leisure serves a wide range of customers, including importers, supermarkets, wholesalers, retailers, and other different types of customers. Our products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions in Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, and North America, including European market. The range: Masons, Germary Designs, JYSK, LD, outdoor living, displays to go, big lots, etc. Since its birth, the company focuses on product innovation design and continuous research and development, and currently has a number of full-time designers responsible for the overall design of products and personalized program development. Sailing Leisure has a production and R&D base with an area of 20,000 square meters and 200 skilled workers. The factory is equipped with several advanced modern production lines, which can meet customers' various demands of quality and delivery time. We have laser cutting and punching, CNC machine tools, robotic welding equipment, automatic packaging equipment, multiple automatic spraying lines, and intelligent semi-automatic cutting machine production lines. The advanced survival equipment and scientific production management bring the company excellent product quality and production efficiency. Our production capacity can reach 50 containers of recliners, 50 containers of outdoor dining tables and chairs, and 50 containers of sofas per month. And the monthly output value reaches $1.5 million to $2 million. We provide professional one-stop retail marketing solutions. For offline retail, we can provide posters and promotional videos. For online retail, we provide marketing materials, including pictures, videos, and copywriting, and offer logo design. Our team is customer-centric and provides customized marketing solutions that fit your brand image and enhance brand awareness and sales. We welcome you to visit our showroom to personally feel and experience the quality, functionality, and comfort of our products.
Hello everyone, my name is Ira, and as a customer of Sailing Leisure for 5 years, I'm honored to share my purchasing experience with you. Sailing Leisure is a customer-centered enterprise. Their professional team not only ensures the timeless and the stability of supply, but also has a professional marketing team to help us expand categories, optimize the procurement process, and provide exquisite photo editing services. I'd like to say that I have significantly increased my market share and increased my sales by 30% through our partnership with Sailing Leisure. I would like to thank Sailing Leisure for their success and highly recommend them to anyone looking for high-quality outdoor furniture. Let's move towards greater success together.
Sailing Leisure attaches importance to the selection and appointment of talents so that each employee can obtain the greatest achievement and honor. Sailing Leisure advocates a healthy lifestyle and often organizes outdoor development, indoor games, and other activities to stimulate employees' enthusiasm and creativity and promote their physical and mental health. The new era brings new opportunities, and we will continue to uphold the cultural concept of customer first, customer success, teamwork, mutual achievement, and continuous learning. Embracing change, we will continue to move forward. Choose us. Choose trust. Choose success.